Good medical morning. For you Dr. Sandra Lee fans, you might be familiar with this so-called grapefruit-sized lump. And as you learned, this is a fatty tumor. But how common is this type of condition? Let's look at so-called buffalo humps and similar conditions known as dorsocervical fat pads. We'll talk about treatment and discuss the conditions in detail. I'm Watson, and this is World's Greatest Medical. A dorsocervical fat pad is an accumulation of fat on the back of the neck between the shoulders. A dorsocervical fat pad may be due to the use of some antiretroviral drugs used to treat HIV. They're also a result of obesity, and frankly, sometimes people just grow fatty tumors without explanation.
It refers to abnormal fat deposition in the back of the neck. There's a head there, the back here is the back of the neck. Now it can occur for a number of reasons, just due to weight, number of hormonal conditions can cause it, and also a number of medications can cause it, but the end result is too much fat in the wrong spot.
In this case, a doctor is removing one of these fat pads with simple liposuction. And in this case, Dr. Sandra Lee removes a fatty tumor from the shoulders to flatten the pad. Now let's take a moment to check out some similar pictures and examples, and stick around for a word about my favorite weight loss supplement, Thynergy.
Hey, my name's Leah. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.